better be careful.
Or at least take a couple steps.
Oh.
Sanad, you whacked your hand. Sanad, you came down your...
Yeah, he does.
Woo!
Alright, come.
Sanad, why don't you do a cannonball? Come on, buddy.
One, two, three, go! Kevin! You knocked every vein in your neck was I know, you're like this, sticking out.
I'm afraid of heights.
See? You can like count to 5. 1, 2.
Let's go again. Now I want to do it again. It's cold over here.
Woo! Woo!
Oh, thanks for not warming it up.
Thank you for that.
Watch out for the rat. If you fall down, you hit in the water, so switch out. You going there?
No.
Whew. Oh, man. Oh.
Somebody hasn't gotten wet yet.
You're funny. You're a funny guy.
Unbelievable. That was awesome. You seriously have time, like,
To think.
to think. You're like, what the heck did I just do? Oh my God, what did I do?
Oh, this is so cool!
Oh!
Yeah.
Once you hit the water, it's like, okay.
Dude, I want to do it again.
Alright, I think I'm going to go for one more,
Come on.
and it'll be good. Alright?
Couple more. Then we're heading out. I want to do a backflip.
Alright, you better not.
Why?
You and your brother used to dive off of here.
Yeah, I'm going to dive off.
Nah, don't do that, man.
Why?
Too dangerous.